So let's start. What if I told you that hidden inside every cell of your body is an instruction manual so powerful that if you stretched it out, it could travel to the sun and back hundreds of times? DNA is one of the greatest mysteries of life. And the more scientists discover about it, the more incredible it becomes. Here are 10 mind-blowing facts about DNA that sound like science fiction but are completely true. Fact 1. Your DNA could reach the sun hundreds of times. Every cell in your body contains about 2 meters of DNA. Since your body has around 37 trillion cells, all of your DNA stretched end to end would span roughly 74 billion kilometers. That's enough to travel from Earth to the sun and back more than 240 times. Fact 2. You share DNA with almost every living thing. Humans share about 60% of their genes with bananas, around 85% with mice, and nearly 99% with chimpanzees. It may sound strange, but all living things evolved from ancient common ancestors, which is why so many genes are shared. Fact 3. Every human is more than 99.9% genetically identical. No matter where someone comes from or what they look like, humans share over 99.9% of the same DNA. That tiny remaining fraction is enough to create the incredible diversity we see around the world. Fact 4. DNA is the world's smallest instruction manual. If your DNA were written like a book, it would contain about 3 billion genetic letters. Those letters form the instructions your body uses to build everything, from your eyes and skin to your heart and brain. Fact 5. Your DNA repairs itself every day. Every day. Your DNA is damaged by sunlight, pollution, and even normal body processes. Thankfully, your cells constantly repair thousands of these tiny mistakes. Without these repair systems, life would be impossible. Fact 6. Identical twins become more different over time. Identical twins begin life with almost identical DNA, but as they age, tiny genetic changes and environmental factors slowly make them different. That's why identical twins can develop different fingerprints, health conditions, and even personality traits. Fact 7. DNA can solve crimes decades later. A single strand of hair, a drop of blood, or even a tiny skin cell can contain enough DNA to identify a person. Modern forensic science has solved criminal cases that remained mysteries for more than 30 years. Fact 8. Scientists can read DNA from ancient humans. Researchers have successfully extracted DNA from bones that are tens of thousands of years old. This has helped reveal how ancient humans lived, migrated, and even how modern humans are related to Neanderthals. Fact 9. DNA is an incredible storage device. Scientists believe that just 1 gram of DNA could theoretically store hundreds of petabytes of digital information, far more than today's electronic storage devices of the same weight. In the future, DNA could become a revolutionary way to store data. Fact 10. Your DNA is unlike anyone else's. Unless you have an identical twin, your DNA sequence is unique. It carries the story of your ancestors, influences many of your traits, and makes you one of a kind among the billions of people on Earth. DNA isn't just a tiny molecule. It's the blueprint of life, the record of your family's history, and one of the greatest scientific discoveries ever made. The more we learn about DNA, the more we realize how extraordinary every human being truly is. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe,